everyone, today I'm gonna finally try something that I've been wanted to try for so long on my hair. It's the Olaplex hair perfector #3. It's a treatment that is a bond builder, so it's supposed to help to treat hair that is damaged with bleach, color, or even like it damage, I think. It's supposed to repair and strengthen all hair types. Yeah, so I'm really happy because I'm gonna bleach my hair. I'm not gonna try the Olaplex #1 and 2. I don't have them, so I'm just gonna try this one after I bleach my hair, and hopefully it's gonna help to repair my hair a little bit, or at least help it to not get more damage after the bleach. So let me show you my hair. This is my hair before. I have some coconut oil because I'm gonna bleach them. So I just wanna open it to see the smell. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know why I thought it was gonna smell bad, but it's a kind of a treatment, so it smells really, really good. I don't even know like how to explain the smell, but it smells good. I'm just gonna say that it smells really good. And the consistency, it's a bit like a conditioner, so not too thick. So I'm gonna go bleach my hair. I'm gonna use it in the shower, then I'll show you what my hair looks like after I put it. And this is my hair right after I rinsed the bleach. I didn't put the Olaplex yet. As you can see, the front is really straight. I was a little bit worried, and when I was pulling, it felt like it was coming out, so I didn't pull too much, but you can really see that, especially the one that are lighter are really straight. I just finished to wash my hair and I'm shook because I'm not kidding, guys. This is how much hair I lost while I was washing my hair, and it's obviously because of the Olaplex, or this is not normal. Like, I'm really hoping they're not gonna fall after. The only thing like I saw, it's the one that are really light, like almost white, I feel like when I pull, you can see that this is really damaged, like the hair, it's coming out. This is not good. So yeah, this is probably, that was too much for my hair, but it's still there, but I know it's gonna fall more. This side a bit the same thing. So I'm gonna try to give them love and just like leave them a little bit alone. Yeah, because that's never happened to me before. So I feel like if I didn't put the Olaplex, probably this would have been like just not there anymore. But I'm really surprised, which means so far I think it really does a difference to use the Olaplex #3. But this is it. This is my hair after I put the toner. This is not cute. Like, these curls are just damaged. This is the next day when my hair is dry. As you can see, they are really straight, especially the front. Not a lot of curls. Today it's a week later. We are Monday, January 4. I'm gonna wash my hair, so I'm gonna put the Olaplex #3 again. So I just want to show you my hair a week after. I didn't put any heat, so I can give it a break. I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm just gonna wash them and do some twists, probably do a twist out like in 2 days. I will see. But I can totally see that the front of my hair are damaged, but I think because of the Olaplex, it's not as bad as it should be. When it's dry, of course I didn't touch it. I just did like some flexi rolled out and that's it. But I can see that when I pull my hair, they are more tangled than usually. Like when it's dry and when I pull, the hair is okay, but I'm gonna show you when it's wet. I feel like the elasticity is not there anymore. Like when I pull the hair, it's like keep coming. Like if I pull too much, it's gonna break. So I'm gonna show you that. You're supposed to put it when your hair is towel dry. So I'm just gonna wet my hair and then towel dry it and show you what it looks like. This is my hair day. As you can see, the part in the front are almost like straight. You can see it's damaged and then tangle a lot because it is damaged. And look, like your hair is not supposed to do that. It's supposed to bounce back, but I'm not gonna pull too much or my hair just gonna come out. I'm really surprised because last time I felt like I used half of the bottle, and this is only what I used last time. So even if it's a small bottle, it's gonna be enough to like use it for a month, more than a month, if you only use it like once a week like me, or maybe even more if you don't have like a lot of hair like me. But this is what I used last time. So I'm just gonna put this. You're supposed to leave it for 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. I'm just gonna do my workout at the same time, so I'm just probably gonna leave it for half an hour or even more. It's not dangerous to leave it more, they say. Like, of course I'm gonna leave it longer so I can make sure like my hair really have the benefit of the treatment. I just finished to wash my hair. This is how much hair I lost. This is really not a lot. After the second treatment, I didn't really see a difference. I felt like the front was still straight, as you can see. And then I decided to just do 2 conrows since I didn't want to do some twists. Okay, so this is a week 3. Actually, I'm still in week 2, but this is gonna be the 3rd time that I'm using Olaplex. It's Friday today. I think I washed my hair Monday. As you can see, they look dry because I didn't really put anything since I washed them. Like Monday, I only put like some coconut oil. I did like 2 braids, as you can see in the last video, then just took them out, and this is my hair like 5 days later. Okay, so this is when they are towel dry. Let me see. They are really tangled. But this is getting better. Like when I pull, I feel like the hair is coming back more than before. Yeah. Before, when I used to pull, they were just like coming out and like keep coming. I use almost the half, but not exactly half of the bottle, which is pretty good because again, it's a small bottle. I thought I was gonna be like finished after 2 use, but yeah, so I'm gonna put more in the front. I just finished to wash my hair, and this is how much hair I lost. I'm not kidding, guys. This is really how much hair I lost. It's crazy. This is nothing. Like, even before I bleach my hair, I used to lose way much more hair than that. But I have to say, since it's not really a wig from last time that I washed my hair, it might explain why there's not too much. But as you can see, the first time, the second time I had a little bit more, but this time it's like it's nothing. So in my hair, it's really like I have nothing on my hair right now. I feel like they are stronger. I don't know if you can see, if it's just me. And look at that, like the curls look like they want to come back. Like what? Yay. Look at that. They were really straight like the first time. So yes, I will say that it definitely worked. I think I'm gonna use it another time again before I give you like my final review. But for now, I love it. Like my hair feels so strong right now. It's crazy, like the difference from just one time again of using the Olaplex, and it's really soft. Today it's Friday, January 15. I'm gonna do another treatment. I didn't do anything to my hair this week. I only like put my product the first day when I washed it, and then I just did a bun all week since I was working. So this is pretty much it. I'm gonna go and wet them, then put the treatment. Okay, again, I feel like my hair is a little bit stronger since I bleached them. They are still damaged, obviously, but it's not that bad. Now you can see that there's only less than the half of the bottle, but you still have, it seems like a quarter of the bottle. So I'm probably gonna have enough for this treatment and another one. Maybe a little bit for another one again. Well, we'll see. This is the next day. Today is Saturday. I left the Olaplex overnight because I was just lazy, didn't want to wash my hair yesterday. So I just washed them, and I'm gonna do a wash and go. I really feel like my hair is way stronger. Like, it's just, I can't even describe like the feeling. I feel like I have more hair, but I know like I probably don't have more hair in like 4 weeks. I don't think I can have new grow, but not more hair. But maybe it's because like the Olaplex put the strength like to their natural state, like back to their natural state. I don't know, but for sure he does the job. And I lost a little bit more here this time, but it's still not a lot. But to be honest, as I said yesterday, I didn't do anything to my hair this week. I only like put my product, and I had a bun like every day. I went to work with a high bun, low bun, bun every day. Yeah, I feel like it is stronger. Guys, I am shook and happy. My curls are coming back to life. Like, this is some curls right there. Look at that. Look at that. It coming back to life. Okay, I'm maybe overreacting, but I'm really happy right now. I didn't expect to see some curls in the front anymore. I thought I was gonna have like to cut it, but it seems like it wanna come back. And I did the exact same thing that I usually do when I do my wash and go 4 weeks ago, right after I did the bleaching. And today I did the exact same thing. I usually separate my hair, put the gel, finger coil just a little bit, and then scrunch. And 4 weeks ago, I think it's 4 weeks already, when I try like to finger coil and scrunch, like nothing was happening, nothing. Like the hair was just straight and was not like, not even like, he did a little bit of a wave, as you can see, but then I'll put another like picture so you can remember what my hair looks like the first wash and go. Look at that. And when it was dry, like it was just almost straight. But now when I'm scrunching, like you can see that the rest of my hair looks pretty much the same. The front of my hair was always more wavy than curly. The back of my hair, it's more curly and like tight curls. But you can see that the curls are coming back to life. I am so happy. Again, I didn't expect this little bottle first to give me 4 treatment, and I still have left, and bring back my curls to life. So my review for this Olaplex No.3 is a 10 out of 10. It does what it said it will do, and it is expensive. To be honest, I have no idea how much it is because it was a gift, but I know it is expensive for like the size. But you have a lot in this small bottle, so even if it is expensive, if you have a damage or bleach, color, whatever damage, you know what, it's worth the price. Buy some Olaplex No.3. I'm gonna buy another one tonight to make sure it comes like right on time when this one is finished. What I'm gonna do is probably focus the rest of the treatment more like in the front and my ends until like I have another bottle. I heard that No.0 is also good when you put like the 0 and the No.3. I might try this, I'm not sure yet. But this is it. This is gonna be my review. I'm probably gonna put a picture or a video of what my hair looks like when it's dry. But this is it. I'm really happy again. I regret that I didn't try this treatment before. And if like me, you put way too much color and bleach, this is gonna be a lifesaver. Well, I think anyways, for me it works. So this is it for my review of Olaplex. I'll probably do an update in a month. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.